video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a mechanic shop MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to click over here and get the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the pack from the name. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the mechanic shop which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. And this is the location in the map over here. Now let's get inside the shop. So this is the entrance of the mechanic shop over here. This is the reception area of the shop. And these are the repair centers over here. And there are some repair tables as well. And we have some spare parts of the vehicle. And this is a vehicle paint section. Now let's get inside over here. And this is the storage room of the mechanic shop. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.